Can you stand up and glue your feet to the floor for me? Are you ready? Move yourself back there. You ready? After 3, old McFred had a house. 1, 2, 3. Old McFred had a house. E-I-E-I-O. And in that house he had a bag. A bag? Where do you think he takes his bag? Where do you think he wears his bag? He wears it on his back? Yeah. With a where here and a where there. Here a where, there a where, everywhere a where. Old McFred had a house. E-I-E-I-O. And in that house he had a cup. Cup? What did he use his cup for? Drinking. Are you ready then? With a drink here and a drink there. Here a drink, there a drink, everywhere a drink. Old McFred had a house. E-I-E-I-O.
What's that, George? George says he's going to be late for work in our toy shop. He's got to get dressed. He wants you to help him get dressed. He wants to play a game, Amina, where I have to use a robot voice. Shall I do that then? Yeah, I'll use a robot voice. Okay then, here we are, George. Get ready, we're going to dress you. Tell me what you need next. Just listen, ready? Sh or ts. Sh or ts. Elsa, what do you think? Sh or ts. This one, the shorts. The shorts. Can you do your robot voice and arms? Sh or ts. Sh or ts. Well done. He needs to put on. Sh t. Sh t. This one, who agrees? Who thinks yes? Yeah, let's do that then. Who thinks they can say it in a robot voice for me? Good try. And again. Well done. Let's do it together. Ready, Elsa? Oat. 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 And what have we got? A coat. A coat.
We are going to be looking at a really lovely book today, and this is our book that we're going to be looking at. I wonder if you can turn to your partner and tell your partner what you think this story might be about. Turn to your partner. What other animals can you see? What do you think this story might be about? Rumble in the jungle. There's a rumble in the jungle, there's a whisper in the trees. The animals are waking up and rustling the leaves. The hippo's at the waterhole, the leopard's in his lair. The chimpanzees are chattering and swinging everywhere. Oh, the next bit of the story is about the lion. Ready? Lion. And if we look up here, look at the sounds coming out of the lion's mouth. What's he saying? Oh, look, just look at these. Ready? Let's all go like that. Ready? Again. Excellent. It's the lion. The lion's the king of the jungle. Just listen how loudly he roars. Every animal quivers and shudders and shivers as soon as he opens his jaws. Okay. So when he opens his jaws, what sound comes out of his mouth? Turn to your partner. Well done. After 3, we're all going to do a great big lion roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I tell tell you what, if I was an animal in the jungle, I'd be shivering and quivering with that noise. Oh, now we have some words next to these. Wait a minute, looking this way. Wait. This is a little baby gorilla. And he's got some words next to him. The words are at. What's that word? Listen carefully because the first sounds very quiet. At. And he's going at, pat, at, pat. Ready with me? At, pat. Again. At, pat. But let's look at this big daddy gorilla. Oh, he's huge, isn't he? Can you sound this one out with me? Ready? D. D. What's the word? Thud. And he's going thud, 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 thud. Actually, look, he's got his fist like this, hasn't he? He's going thud, 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 thud. You ready, everybody? Thud, 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 thud,